Saw ZarinoOriginals.com online and thought their jewelry looked gorgeous and timeless. Today we're cutting through the hype. Is this store real and trustworthy, or is it a risky fake shop? Let's dive in. So ZarinoOriginals.com presents itself as a boutique jewelry shop selling rings, bracelets, earrings, and bags with high quality materials, free shipping, and 30-day guarantees. The homepage paints a classy picture of handcrafted timeless pieces and elegant accessories. Here are a couple of things that seem normal at first glance. They use standard payment options like PayPal and credit cards, which can offer buyer protection if something goes wrong. Some reviewers on Trustpilot say they liked certain pieces or found them beautiful. Positive feedback does exist among mixed reviews, but look deeper before trusting the visuals. Here's where things get concerning. Independent trust checkers give very low trust scores, indicating lack of reputation or questionable practices. Common warning signs for high-risk online stores. The domain was registered just recently, late 2025, meaning it has no established track record and could disappear quickly. Reviews are very mixed. While some buyers share positive experiences, many others describe poor quality items, incorrect products, slow or no delivery, unresponsive customer service, and possible fake discount tactics. Several one-star reviewers even called the site a scam with fake images and misleading product descriptions. So is ArenaOriginals.com a real jewelry store? It's unproven at best and potentially high risk. While some people say their pieces look nice, the very low trust scores, mixed reviews, lack of external reputation, and suspicious business setup suggest you should avoid buying until there's clear verified feedback from trusted sources. Boundless discounts with little proof of quality, that's a classic scam pattern online. The bottom line, use extreme caution or shop with reputable jewelry retailers that are known, reviewed, and transparent. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.